box actually doesn't look too bad. Sometimes you get freight and the box is just destroyed. So that's a good sign. These goddamn airplanes, man. Let's get this bad boy opened. Damn. For carbon fiber, this thing's heavy as shit. Fuck off! I'm trying to record a video, man. Got fucking Vietnam above me. Like, come on. I got an envelope. What is this envelope? Oh, got some stickers. Cool. See, this don't make sense to me. They gave me an installation manual, but it's for a fucking FRS. Like, what? Oh. If they sent me the wrong hood, I'm gonna be pissed. Ooh. Let's see. Better not be for FRS. I will give it to them, though. A+ on the packaging. Did really good with the packaging. Oh no, it feels like the hood I ordered, so that's good news. Oh my God, my dog is out. Roxy! Oh boy, oh boy. Come on.
You didn't hear the door open?
Nope. Come on, baby, let's go. Come on, Gurney! Roxy!
Toby's right here, you have to get her in.
Come on, let's go, Gurney! Come on! Well, that was scary. My dog don't like people. I could have ended in a lawsuit. But it didn't, so we're good. Da-da-da. Oh my God. Oh! Woo! Oh my God, that is so nice. Wow. Oh my God, the carbon is so good. Oh, I'm in love. So here she is, the new hood for the Supra. This is the Cybon KB style hood. If you've seen most of the Supras with aftermarket hoods, they run the TS style. That's the style that has the dual vents that go right here and right there. I'm not a fan of that hood, and I want it to be different. Most of the Supras, like I said, that you see run that TS style hood. I wanted to switch it up. I like this hood a lot. Actually, I love the Veris hood, but that hood is like $3 grand. So I was like, you know what? This is the same exact style, it's this exact same hood, except it's half the price. So I ended up going with the Cybon. I'm so stoked with it. It looks so good. The carbon fiber looks awesome. The weave, the gloss looks amazing. Nothing is damaged. All the corners are good. It just looks awesome. I'm really excited to put this on the car. So I've got to be honest. I am not a fan of this mesh looking chicken wire crap on the hood, on these vents right here. I think this looks absolutely terrible. I don't know if I'm going to take it out and just leave the vents open and just remove it completely, or if I'm going to replace it with better looking mesh. But to me, it just looks cheap. It looks, I don't know, it looks like something you'd find on a Duraflex hood. So I'm going to be definitely taking out this mesh Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to just remove it completely and leave all the vents open, or if I'm going to find a different type of mesh and put it in there, but this stuff has got to go. So we already unboxed it. I showed it to you guys. I pointed out some stuff that I don't like. Enough of the bullshit. I'm excited as hell. It's time to throw this baby on the car, so let's do it. So I really got to start getting better at doing everything in one day. I get sidetracked or I get busy, and then I lag for 2 or 3 days. So I'm in the garage. It's a beautiful day out. It's my day off. It's time to put the hood on. So let's do that right now. So I was going to do it in the garage, but with the lighting how it is today, it's kind of weird. It looks a lot better in the driveway. So I pulled the car out and I'm just going to do it right here. I wish it was socially acceptable to run a car with no hood all the time. Like you can't really, it doesn't really look cool, but like seeing the engine and everything just looks badass. Took a little bit longer than I had originally hoped for, but we got it on. It needs a little bit of alignment, but overall, it's pretty damn, yeah, I gotta adjust it just a little bit, but it's on. So I can't lie to you guys, I've been trying to get this hood to fit for 4 days now, and it is fighting me in every way possible. It won't latch on one side, the gap is uneven on one side, it's hitting the wind, I don't even know, like the cowl, the windshield wiper cowl, it's hitting the front bumper in one corner. It's just a nightmare. Initially it fit good, like it fits good without the headlights in. Once the headlights go in, then it's the issue because you can see the gap on the weather stripping. It's sitting too far onto the corner of one of the headlights. It's sitting too far away on the other headlight. And like I said, it's hitting the corner of the bumper on one side. There's a bigger gap on the other side. It's just not working. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the OEM hood back on. I know, I'm low-key kind of annoyed about it. Put the OEM hood back on. I'm going to put the new carbon fiber hood to the side, and I think I'm going to end up just taking it to a body shop and just having them do everything. At this point, I'm exhausted, like mentally, just trying to figure it out, trying new things, trying different things, and I'm just over it. So I'm going to pull, or I already did. I pulled the new carbon fiber hood off, put the OEM hood on, and I'm just going to leave it like that for now. Really disappointed. It looked unbelievable, but it's just not working out, at least for me. I don't really know what I'm doing. Like I do, but it's just not working. Things need to be grinded or shaved or notched or whatever, and I don't really have the knowledge nor the patience to do that. I'd rather just have a professional do it. I'm sure it would be fine for somebody that's not me, but I am an absolute perfectionist. I'm OCD to the max, and it has to be perfect, and it's not. So back to the drawing board, I guess, and I'll try to get this figured out soon, but for now, the OEM hood is back on. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. There was not much going on. I just took the old hood off, put the new hood on, tried to get it to fit. It didn't work, and I'm back at square one. So appreciate you guys watching once again. Hopefully I'll see you in the next one.